offers several different ways to receive notifications about incoming calls or messages. But if you have a severe hearing impairment, how do you know when someone is trying to contact you? That is where the LED flash alert feature is useful. It will use the device's flash to provide a visual alert that a call or message is being received. To enable the feature on your device, go into Settings, select Accessibility, then look for Audio Visual. Then turn on the LED flash for alerts. The default setting is also to turn on Flash on Silent. It just means that if the phone is switched to silent mode, the flash alert will still work. Now when you receive a call, message or other notification, the rear camera flash will blink rapidly to provide a visual clue that someone is trying to contact you. So that is how you enable the LED flash alert on your device.